What's up, guys? We're back here on Opera Omnia, and let's talk about the most important thing to do. Leveling up your characters is great, but you're going to get way more stats and way more power out of leveling up your weapons. This is the most important thing to do, is to level up your weapons. So whatever characters that you ended up getting 5-star weapons for are the ones that you want to utilize. It makes kind of obvious sense there. Sadly, if you didn't get your favorite character's weapon, better luck next time. Keep trying when there's a featured banner for it. But use whatever 5-star weapons that you got for the characters. So, for example, here we got Zidane. Zidane's 5-star weapon. And if we were to not have Zidane's 5-star weapon, we take this off, for example, his stats dramatically decrease. So his HP goes down a small amount, but where he really loses his power is in his attack. His attack would drop to 389. His max brave would drop from 2,000 to 1,122, and his initial brave drops from 614 to 534. You can see how significant a weapon makes. 5-star heroes weapons are must. You must have those on your units. So your squad is going to be a squad of 3 that you have 5-star weapons of. Next up, leveling the weapon up. Let's show you how much more powerful we can make Zidane by leveling up his weapon. So we go enhance the weapon. We're going to go click on Zidane's weapon. And when you are enhancing weapons, they get more expensive at level 6, level 11, level 16, level 21. So currently, when we click on Zidane's weapon, every time that we feed Zidane's weapon something to level it up and gain experience points, it's only going to cost us 100 gil. Once we get to level 6, it's going to cost us more. It's going to cost us 200 gil. Let's show you that with a different weapon. So we have Warrior Lights. He's a level 8, but it's going to cost 200 gil every time that we feed it something. Once we get up to level 11, that changes again. So we have Tifa's weapon. And every time we feed it something, it's going to cost 300 gil. So every time you hit those levels, level 6, level 11, level 16, level 21, the cost to increase your weapon goes up. So make note, you want to try and keep your weapon at level 5. And then you want to level it up with 10 items, making it as high as possible. Because it's going to get more expensive if you do it at level 6. So we could put all these little guys in here and gain a small amount. What you generally want to do is you want to level up weaker weapons. You want to level these guys up, these 3 stars. Level them up to like level 5, like we've done up here. And you'll gain more experience points. It will cost less as well because you're using less weapons. So let's show you this. We've got some 3 stars. We're going to grab these guys. And so just with 4 weapons, he's already become a level 10. You'll notice we do not want to get to level 11. So we are going to go right there and we're going to confirm. It's only costing us 400 gil. If we get a great or an excellent, it's going to actually give us bonus EXP, which pushes us up to level 11. So nothing we can do about that. Sadly, we didn't want it, but now we've gotten a little bit stronger. So upgrading our weapon now is going to cost us 300 gil for every time that we do it. Once again, we use these feeder items into weapons, 3-star, 2-star weapons, or 4-star weapons. You can also do this in armor. So you can see there's a glove right there. We can feed armor into weapons. If we were to feed them all that, we would get 18,000 EXP. But I do not recommend that you feed the 4-star weapons and armors. At least not yet. because you want to see what other weapons that you pull. And if you don't pull your favorite weapon, you can actually upgrade 4-star weapons to 5-star status. So you notice these little orbs right here? That means if you have 3 additional copies of the same weapon. So if you have 3 more copies of this, we can actually limit break it and make it into a 6-star weapon once we get it to the max level. You can do that on 4-star weapons and 3-star weapons as well. So you can do that on lower tier weapons. You just need 4 copies of that weapon and then make it max level, and then you can upgrade it to the 5-star version of it. So if you don't get your favorite character's weapon, you can still slowly but surely progress and get it. So I do not recommend feeding the 4-star weapons just yet. So the armor we're okay with. We can feed the armor. And again, at this point, we want to get it to level 15 so the cost doesn't rise. So let's take off one of these guys, and then we can feed it some of these crystals. So you can see it's getting quite expensive, but we do have 76,000 gil, so we're okay there. We want to get it as close as we can to level 16 without going over, which looks to be right there. Let's go fuse this up. Ah, we got another great, so dang, it's going to push us over, and we're going to get bonus EXP, so it's going to be a little bit more expensive next time. Well, there we have it. We are at level 16 now on our weapon. So we went from a level 5 weapon to a level 16 weapon. Let's go check out the stats on Zidane now. All right, here we go. Look at the new stats of Zidane. So initial brave is 667. That's a pretty nice increase. And then his attack now is 1009. That's a very, very nice increase in power. Max brave is at 3033 now, and HP is up slightly. That is all because we leveled up our weapon 11 times. Look at how much more powerful that is. Next up, don't forget to upgrade their crystal points. Crystal points are very, very important, but the weapons are the most important. So use your gil, upgrade your weapons, and I will see you guys later. Follow us in-game. So there's our ID right there. Follow us in-game. We'll follow you back. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel here for more guides, tips, tricks.